Starting around 13 September 2023, Axie endlessness sort of is exchanging at $4.21 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.13% in especially most recent 1 hour in a very huge manner. Axie essentially has a very all-out market cap of $593,616,040, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $23,301,985, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. This really makes Axie boundlessness, Axie's, sort of positioning at 54 in the cryptographic money market, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. In the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Axie boundlessness cost expectation end of 2023. What will Axie vastness in a real sense be fundamentally worth in 2023, really in spite of mainstream thinking? Is Axie boundlessness an especially wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking? Will Axie's cost really outperform its unequaled high, which in a real sense is genuinely critical? These fundamentally are our Axie boundlessness cost expectations for Axie's future, which truly is genuinely critical. Axie vastness, Axie's value expectation 2023. As per the Axie boundlessness conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Axie's cost basically is supposed to cross an especially normal value level of $7.10, the normal sort of least value worth of Axie limitlessness, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to generally be $6.80 in an exceptionally huge manner. Besides, Axie can really arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $7.73 in an unpretentious manner. Axie's value gauge August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Axie boundlessness in every way that really matters is supposed to generally arrive at a by and large least value worth of $5.77, which generally is genuinely huge. The Axie cost could really arrive at in every practical sense, greatest cost of $6.49, with the all things considered, normal cost around $6.31, which in a real sense, shows that these sort of are our Axie boundlessness cost expectations for Axie's future, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie limitlessness value expectation September 2023. The cost of Axie endlessness sort of is most certainly anticipated to sort of reach at a kind of least worth of $6.20 in September 2023, in an extremely significant way. The Axie cost could in every way that really matters, arrive at a most extreme worth of $6.81, with the all things considered, normal exchanging worth of $6.44 all through 2023. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. Axie vastness, Axie's value expectation October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Axie endlessness cost in a real sense is conjecture to fundamentally arrive at a particularly the most minimal cost of $6.33 in a kind of large manner. The Axie cost could generally arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $7.06. With the kind of typical expected cost around $6.57 in every practical sense in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axie's value conjecture November 2023. The Axie vastness figure for November 2023 expects that the Axie may especially arrive at a truly greatest worth of $7.39, with a very least cost of around $6.59, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Discussing the fundamentally normal value Axie can sort of stretch around $6.83 for November, which basically shows that will Axie cost essentially outperform its untouched high, which truly is very huge. Axie endlessness, Axie's value conjecture December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Axie limitlessness essentially is truly anticipated to truly arrive at an especially normal cost of $7.10. While the coin could exchange between a really limit of $7.73 and a truly least of $6.80 in a fundamentally significant manner. Axie endlessness in every practical sense, past value examination and the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto most certainly has been truly diminished by 0.55% in its in every practical sense current worth, showing how Axie vastness value forecast September 2023. The cost of Axie limitlessness sort of is truly anticipated to especially reach at an extremely least worth of $6.20 in September 2023, which especially is genuinely huge. Assuming we generally look at the by and large current market cap of the Axes with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap fundamentally is likewise down, which really shows that Axie's value conjecture August 2023, concerning August 2023. A share vastness basically is supposed to arrive at an essentially least value worth of $5.77, which generally is very huge. A share vastness especially is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with certainly other crypto coins, which sort of is very huge. The Axis especially is down to nearly 6.98% in every practical sense. Most recent 7 days, which essentially is very huge. The coin really is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for pretty past certainly couple of days. The coin could generally have major areas of strength for truly at the same time. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in especially present moment, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Inside the in every way that really matters, most recent 1 month, the cost of Axis basically diminished by 55.154%. Taking out an incredible kind of normal amount of $5.18 from its truly current worth, or so they basically thought. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be an essentially decent truly purchase an open door for sort of speedy interest in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change by and large is near 64.07%. And the cost truly flowed from a base exceptionally normal cost of $10.80 to genuinely most extreme truly normal cost of $12.31 in the very beyond 90 days. So a share limitlessness, Axis, value expectation October 2023, with respect to October 2023. A share vastness cost basically is conjecture to basically arrive at a kind of the least cost of $6.33. Or so they essentially thought. A share vastness fundamentally is somewhere near 36.61% with the in every way that really matters. Greatest genuinely normal cost of the coin generally was around $6.96, and the extremely least genuinely normal cost of essentially was around $6.76 in certainly beyond 4 months. Exceptionally further appearance how a share endlessness value expectation September 2023. The cost of a share boundlessness is explicitly anticipated to generally reach at any rate worth of $6.20 in September 2023. By and large in opposition to prevalent thinking, a share boundlessness value figure 2023 facts what will in every practical sense be a share vastness certainly worth in 2023, or so they truly thought. The Axis cost especially is gauged to truly arrive at a very greatest degree of $7.73, with especially least cost of $6.80, toward the finish of 2023, showing how a share limitlessness, Axis, value conjecture December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of a share vastness is for the most part anticipated to especially arrive at a by and large normal cost of $7.